Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what have I got for my RS457. It's a tank protector and a tank pad. This is the tank protector that you are seeing over here, and this is the tank pad. I got this from UK and it costed me around 60 pounds. So 60 pounds is somewhere around 6,000 change Indian rupees. This particular product is available in India, but I'm not sure if that is from a trusted seller or not. So my sister was coming from UK, so I got this from UK. I ordered it from Amazon. It was delivered to my sister's address and then she got it over here. You have seen my previous video, right? In that particular video I went to pick up my sister from the airport, and that's when I received this particular tank pad and tank grips. So this does not work as a tank grip, but it does work like a tank protector kind of a thing, and it definitely adds on to the look of this motorcycle. You can see, right, it looks so cool. And if you look from this side as well, the sticker and that particular grip, it matches exactly. It does not look like an aftermarket accessory, and it is very premium. You can see it is not a simple sticker. It is a 3D tank pad which is sticked to my motorcycle, and it has good amount of thickness. So no other bike has got this installed till now. I thought let's go for it and install it and review it this time. It is not an official product from Aprilia. This is a third-party vendor. It's known as 3D Labels. They have designed it and it is made in Italy. It's not a product which is made in India. It's made outside, and it definitely looks good. It adds to the design of the vehicle. And I have seen many other people, what they have done is they got tank pad and the thigh grips, but that does not look good somehow. This one definitely looks good, and this specifically blends with the white color. I'm not sure how it will look with the black color. When I saw it online on amazon.co.uk, these two products were mentioned separately. That is, this product was visible in the images and this product was visible, but both of them together is not visible. I'll add the link to these products in the description section down below. You can check that out, but you will not be able to find both the products at one place. So that's why I installed it yesterday only, because it became too dark right now and I'm going for a ride tomorrow, and before that I wanted to make this video. Hence, even if it is dark, I wanted to publish this video. Forgive me about the lighting conditions over here, but this is the best that I'm trying right now, just to bring some exclusive content for you guys. And you can see the look of the motorcycle. It definitely looks like a beauty with this particular tank pad and the tank grip. It has good amount of thickness to it. It is not like a simple sticker. The quality is very good, and of course I'll be using it for a longer time. So I'll give a long-term review once it's used for like 6 to 7 months, and then I'll give a proper review. But for this video, I wanted to give you the initial impressions and wanted to show you how it looks on the RS457. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And this was an exclusive tank pad and side protectors of the RS457 on my channel. So yeah, consider subscribing my channel. It definitely brings some effort to bring all these exclusive contents for you. As I said, this product is available in India, but I'm not sure about the vendor, whether it is genuine or not. Because my sister was coming from UK, I got it from there, and that's how it looks. So it's time to close this video, and don't forget to share this video. It's very important for me. Subscribing is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.